Hey guys, this is Mr. H, Chapter 1, Lesson 7, the coordinate plane. Here you have the coordinate plane. It's pretty much a horizontal line meets a vertical line. And you got an X and Y axis. That's the X. Up and down is the Y. Right in the middle, where they both meet, is 0, also known as the origin. And if you can see, it's broken up into 4 quadrants. You got quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. It's important to know these. In quadrant 1, your ordered pairs, which are made of X and Y. In quadrant 1, your X is going to be positive, and your Y will be positive. Why positive? Because to the right of the 0, there's positive numbers. Above the 0, there's positive numbers. Quadrant 2 will be negative positive. Quadrant 3 would be negative negative. Your X will be negative, your Y will be negative. And quadrant 4, you will have a positive for the X and a negative for the Y. Now remember, these are called ordered pairs. You got your X first, then Y. So that's how you plot. Always start at the origin, then X first, and then Y. So for 31, you got S is 4 for the X and negative 1 for the Y. Start at the origin. Move on the X first, which is to the right 4, and then down on the Y, which is a negative 1. And you can plot your point S on there. Next one, you got a negative 3 and a negative 2. Start at the origin, 0. You're moving left because it's a negative 3. What's to the left of the 0? Negatives. And then you're moving down because it's a negative 2. Below the 0 are negatives. Just remember this. Start at the origin, X first, then Y. Start at the origin, X first, and then Y. Go to the right 2 units, up 1 unit, because the ordered pair for W was 2 for the X, 1 for the Y. I want you to notice that I'm always starting at the origin. 5 units to the left because it's a negative 5, and then up 3 units because it's a positive 3 for the Y. Start at the origin, negative 1, that's left, and then down 3 for negative 3. The coordinate plane is too easy, guys. Nothing to it. Study, study, study. Success. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. See you next time.